Hello friends, my name is Kapil and today in this video we're going to see how you can analyze your YouTube video. What are the things you need to look at, the different parameters to analyze and evaluate your video, how it is doing, and what and all improvements you can do after analyzing it. Okay, so it is very much crucial to select a particular topic for your video, and that you can do by analyzing your past videos or the performance of the video which you have made in the past, and you can correlate with those topics, and you can bring those topic or similar topics which can do better than the previous video, and you can get traffic from your previous video as well. Okay, so let's analyze this topic, and let's see how exactly we need to do and what and all things we need to do for that. Okay, so I'm going to select one video for that, and I will analyze and I will show you how you can do that. So let's see that. So I have selected one video for this analysis, and let's see, you can select a particular video from YouTube Studio, and then go to the analytic parts. Okay, and once you click on the analytic part, then you can see the detail over here. So as it is seen, is that overall views, we will see how much it got, and then it says that it is 5.1k view. The overall watch time is, you can see, the 128.4 hours. So, and then it would also say that 127.4 more than the usual. Okay, so it is, and then how many subscriber you got for that particular video, and your estimated revenue also it will tell about that. So this is the overall picture of that video, and it will also show you that particular from publishing that video, how you are getting the views. So I think it is around 60 days, around 1.5 or around 2 months back I published this video, and it is over the time it is getting increased via this. So you can see the currently it is 5.1k, and it is around it is less than around 60 days. Okay, so how it is progressing, you can see that. Okay, so then you can go to the other tab where you can see the reach. So basically it will tell you about the how many impressions which this video got it, and how much impression click through rate. Okay, so let's say impression mean that YouTube suggested this video, and it has given this option somehow, and so it is, let's say it is 20k times it YouTube tried to promote my video, and out of 20k times 18, let's say, so it is 18%. So basically, if out of 100 times 18% people, or 18% this video is being selected, so it is I think this is the very good click through rate. Okay, so and if the click through rate is good, then definitely YouTube will try to push your video. Okay, so and the overall view again it will get, and here it says the unique viewers. So basically the 4.3k viewers are the new viewers, which is the and the rest, like let's say out of 5.1, around zero point 0.7 or 8 are the viewer which are basically same, and they came back again to see my video. So it is also good part that we need to see that if the viewers are coming back again to your video, then it seems you have provided some content which is good. Okay, so that will also be YouTube also will take that point into the consideration while promoting your video. So next step, we will go to the engagement. Okay, and in the engagement you will see the how much audience is liking your video. Okay, so their watch time is 128.4, and then the average view duration is, like let's say, the 1.30. Okay, so let's say the one viewers watch it for only 5 second or 10 second, and other watch it for let's say around 2.8 or 2. 50 minutes, 2.50 minutes. So overall it will be a average view, which will be like let's say 10 and 250, so it is considered as a 1.30. Okay, so if more and more average view you have, that means you have a good quality content, and people tries to watch your video till end. Okay, so however, not all the people will watch your video till end, but still more viewing time will give you much more benefit. Okay, so next one is the audience. So there we will see that the, as I mentioned, the 4.3K is unique viewers and average view per viewer. So let's say one person came to view your video, and if they view rest of your video as well, let's say one video, and then continuously they watched your 5 or 10 videos. So if you find, even we will used to do that, like, yes, right, because if I will found that, oh, 5 million subscriber, 10 million subscriber, or let's say the, so I will try to see what they are doing that much great, that's why people are watching that much subscriber also they have. So we will basically view all of their videos, multiple videos, 5 videos, 10 videos. So that means you are creating some impression to people, and because of that reason, once they will end up to your video, and they will basically see your most of the videos as well. So that is the influencing part, and that is very good part. So at the moment I have only 1.1, that is not that good, but it is, as I am trying to grow my channel, it is, I will improve on that. Okay, so that is one thing we need to do, and you can just build that using a similar topic. If you choose the video on similar topic, then people will watch your multiple videos. Okay, and finally, the revenue part will come into the picture. So, where it will show you the RPM and CPM part, and estimated revenue. Okay, so this is the quite interesting part, and most of the people will like to see that actually. Okay, so I will just tell you how exactly it will work. So basically, CPM means click cost per. So CPM is the cost per million. Okay, so if you have 1,000 views actually, and you will get this much dollar. So ultimately, it is around $3, which is quite good actually. I can say it is good part, and yeah, other options. So overallly, you can see that depending on the category, the your CPM will vary, and more CPM you will get more money. Okay, so uh, generally tech category will get little more, and the comedy and other channels will get little less, but their view will be more actually, because the people will directly, if it is suggested, people will like to watch the video till end. But here most of the people are not interested, only the people which are of the same category, and they are, if they are interested in the those kind of stuff, then only people will go for your video, otherwise they will not go for video. So overally you need to analyze your video like this, and based on that which video is doing well, and you can go for to choose the similar topic. So it will just be coming and again a suggested video, and probably you will get some extra views as well. So this is the way you can try to do that, and probably you will get more views in that direction. Okay, so here also some of the extra analysis you will get, like which kind of advertisement is doing good. Okay, so most of the time you will see the skippable video ads will be uh, presented actually by YouTube. Okay, and you will also get to see the how many number of people are subscribing to your channel out of 100. So that is also one of the factor which you'll need to consider. And there also you will see the like versus dislike. Okay, and as you don't have like I don't have end screen element also, so that also you need to add the things which are given by the YouTube, you need to use all the features. So basically, then you will get much and more opportunity to earn more money. Okay, so here also you will get a couple of in-deep analysis where the how the your traffic is coming. Traffic source is YouTube search, then external suggested video, direct or unknown, and other YouTube features. So generally it is good to have organic traffic. Let's say if your YouTube search is getting with YouTube, if you're getting more views, then it is a good factor. Okay, then it means people are searching your videos and you are getting views out of it. And it is not to get not too good to have a more on the direct or unknown, because that means you're promoting your video much more, and that is not good part actually. So you should not do that much. Okay, and yeah, so here also bell notifications sent, those stuffs also you can see. And Google search also you can see how many in the search, in the Google search window, you are getting your video. So those also steps you need to see. WhatsApp 1.5 percentage. So and the traffic source suggested videos, what are the major um, mm, search people doing for this kind of videos, then you will get this analytic. And you can add probably the such kind of keywords and text in your video to get more and more views. Okay, and yeah, yeah, promotional for your total traffic. Okay, so there also you will see that how to insert, and like whatever the your topic is there, based on that you will find that option. Okay, so these are the things also you will observe. Engagement, so I covered most of the things which is probably the required. And one thing, as I mentioned, the subscribed ratio actually. So that will also be a measurement, in case let's say the out of 100 views, how many people subscribe. Let's say 0.1% or 1%. If it is a 1%, that means 100 people watched your video, and out of that 1% subscribed, all like it is subscribing your video. So that is good part. So here you can see the not subscribe, and only 0.1% is being subscribed. So such kind of video will not get much subscriber also, but it is okay. So more and more percentage of subscription, then it means your video is again doing good. um, Everything, I think, India, and if you have more viewers from US, that means probably the CPM will be more for that. Okay, because of the ad revenue will be more for that video. And here you can see the what and all age of your viewers has. So for this, it is, you can say 25 to 34 is the most view I am getting from the such age group. So that age group also you can target, depending on your yeah, you can target such audience as well. So it is in deep analysis, I can say that it is very much useful to go through with these analytics every time, or at a regular basis. So then you can take some decision, very good decision, based on that. Okay, so I think already we have this long video. I hope you will like this, and I will come up with some good topic again to show you some in-depth things. Okay, so let's stop this video, and I will see you again in next video. If you like this video, you can press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel to get the notification. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, have a good day.